If you have tried before to enter selling digital products field and you make your own selling digital product after spending hours and even days and weeks and then published it and suddenly you find no sales ever. For sure, you just make sure the problem is not in your own digital product, but in your execution and your way that you can think to make your own sales from your digital products. And don't sweat it, I've been through that even before many times until I just found my own way and my own system that helped me to validate my own digital product to get my own sales. And of course, here, many of you just build their digital products based on their passion, the interest in a specific niche or topic, and so on. And they neglected the validation if the market or audience wanted this product or not. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you the full system of my own tools I rely on and use daily to make my own sales from my digital products in every single niche I just work in. And of course, from validation to get my own first sale. And of course, here the first step here, how to get ideas of my own digital products. For sure, the best way to make your own digital product is searching for the demand of your people and your audience. Here, I just use two different tools. The first tool, that is the Ask to Income tool that turn real people into digital income system. So here for sure, in my own Ask to Income tool, here you can go to the database of people also ask questions. Over 40,000 people also ask questions from Google in about 90 hot and trending niches. So you can go through these niches as you want, or even better, you can go to the section that says add your own question or your idea that you can get from your social media account, your comment as you want. So for example, just answer something like this. Okay, like this, how to deal with the sleep issues related to menopause for women over 40, okay? Then answer this, click of this button, add. And now you can head over to the section that says the content to cash asset pack and go to digital product ideas. Click over this one. And just in a few seconds here, you can find an amazing report of the best digital products to solve this specific problem, this frustration. You can find this idea number one, like a sleep tracker journal for menopause and its product format, what makes people want this, target buyer, how to create it, the core contents of this digital item, how you can promote it, how you can launch it, and so on. Not only that, here you can make your own sales page just with a click of a button. So here you can find different digital product ideas that solve this problem as you want. So the first tool here just to depend on to make and get digital product ideas, for sure ask to income. And the second tool here, just by going to this tool, that is a silent buyer detector that just actually extract hidden buying intent from any comments and from any communication of people in any post on social media. It could be this post as a video or written post on TikTok, YouTube, Reddit, Twitter, and much more. So for example, I can go to TikTok and search for something like insomnia menopause, of course based on these suggestions from TikTok. So I can go to a video section and pick one of these videos with high engagement and comments, likes, and so on, like this, for example. Okay, and here you can find these comments as you see. So I can pick some of them or all of them as you want. Okay, then go to Ask Silent Buyer Detector, and then sit here in this box and go to this button, Analyze Intent. And just in a few seconds here, you can find this amazing report of 5 signals found here and 10 digital product ideas based on people communicating in this comment section, as you observe here perfectly. So you can find the opportunity matrix and these product digital ideas, the titles, how you can create it, the format, the pricing based on the psychology for this target audience and for this topic as you want here perfectly, and for sure the viral angles that you can depend on promoting these digital items and so on. So the second tool here I just depend on to get my own ideas to build digital products, for sure, silent buyer detector. And now just we can go to and move on to the second step, how we can validate this idea and to know about the saturation or the crowding on in this amazing digital product idea. So that comes the role of this amazing tool, Offer Gap Finder here, that enables you to find a mapping of these digital product and know about and show you the saturation, overcrowding, and the high gap that you can exploit and utilize to make your own digital product. So for example, I can pick one of these ideas from this one, okay? Like I can get this, for example, perfectly, copy, and go to my own tool, the Offer Gap Finder, insert here in this box and run gap analysis. And just in a few seconds here, you can find this report here with all these ideas, crowded and saturation. And just to focus on these results that says high gap, like sleep hygiene for menopause, self-care planner, as you see here, the golden gap, like personalized menopause sleep support system, who suffers, why it prints money, and these ideas that you can utilize and take advantage of to make your own digital products, like sleep hygiene for menopause and solves pain problems, sleep blueprint, the format, pricing as you want, why it wins, and so on. So these digital products are distinguishable from other items here in this specific niche or sub niche. Okay, that's it. So now it's time for sure how we can make these digital products. So I can just focus on this item, for example. So of course you can go to any platform to build your own digital product. It could be like Canva or any AI based platform, or even better, you can also depend on my own tool, Ask to Income. Here you can ask to income and set here this idea like this one, for example, in this box, and click over this button add, and just to head over to the section that says premium digital product empire. Here you can find plenty of these items that you can build completely amazingly, like checklist bundle, spreadsheet, PDF guide, workbook, as you see. Stunning digital product. For example, like examples of these items, like this PDF guide of open flame cooking safety essentials. For sure, it's another niche here and solve a specific problem for beginners in camping niche. As you see, an amazing PDF guide. People are looking and hungry to purchase from you, as you see PDF guide. Okay, or even this tool or this digital item, like this one checklist here in another niche, bundle of these checklists, as you see, amazing checklist for your audience perfectly. Okay, that's it. And now it's time to go to the next step here, to make your own sales page or your landing page where you can insert your own digital product. So for sure you can make this sales page on different platforms like on Gumroad, Ko-fi.com, or even your own blog or on WordPress or something. So here it's time to check the power of converting people who visit this landing page and converting them to buyers. So of course here I just use my own tool, that is this landing page autopsy pro. Here insert the content of your sales page, then click over this button, run professional CRO audit. Like this one here, I just use in this trial something like this popular platform porkpond.com. It's a famous website for purchasing domains, hosting, and so on. So I can take all of this content here, copy, and go back to my own landing page autopsy like this, and insert it in this box, run professional CRO audit, and here you can find this amazing report here with all points your page lack of and needs improvement, the strength powers, the strength points, weakness points as you see, and for sure an alternative and how you can recommend it, how you can fix this one as you observe to make it professional and high converting as you want. So perfect, isn't it? Perfect. And now, of course, now it's time to actually I just make my own digital product and make the sales page on Gumroad, for example. It's time now to market this amazing digital product. So you can head over to back again to ask to income. Yes, ask to income. Here insert this the core question. You build your own income system. Ask to income like this question. And here you can turn this question to different amazing formats. For sure, here you can go to this one 20-day smart loop content as an example to make for you a big list of these topic ideas to make your own content. Could be a video or article just with a click of a button. So if you click for this button, 20-day smart loop content, here you would be blown away with this result as you see. That topic number one, topic number two, topic number three, and so on. For sure, all these contents based on the psychology of this audience, like the awareness, like the encouragement, the myth debunking, and much more of these smart loop content, and for sure, message and coordination. Like the myth that ignoring sleep issues in menopause works as observed, and for sure, for every single topic idea, you can convert it directly and with a click of a button to either article, humanized full article over 2000 words and optimized for all search engines, Google, AI search engines, and much more. Article or even better video here, a script for YouTube video and another for short video for social media as you see. Okay, so you can find for comparison this angles here and this perspectives of these ideas, alert, myth, past, and much more. So for example, if I just try something like the first topic idea, this the myth, and I click on this button article, here you can find just in 50 seconds here this amazing article as you see, starting with amazing feature image and direct answer summary that AI search engines need to cite your own article like on ChatGPT and AI mode and so on as you observe. Then, for example, I can copy this article, whole article, copy, and just publish in your own blog or medium.com or anything else like this website, for example. Okay, just copy and paste in telegram.ph as an example here for this tutorial. And as you see, for sure, you can promote your own digital product simply and easily in this content as you observe. And even better, there is another way here to make you professional in front of your readers and your visitors and your audience. Here you can just monetize this article just by giving away your audience a free P to make your own email list and for sure indirectly promote your own higher and paid digital product. That's way just use and depend on my own tool that is article to income. Article to income. Here just insert the link of your own blog or your article on Medium, on Substack, on your WordPress website and so on to monetize it completely amazing. So like this example, just insert this link of this article. Okay, and the result would be mind-blowing like this. Your article monetization blueprint. These digital product as you see people need as a sequence in this readership in your article. So they expect this free P or this content here or this item to get from your own article. So they trust you more. You show yourself as a professional and expert in this way. So like this one as you see, and for sure for every single idea you have 3 different versions. It could be like free version as a free P or a beta one as you observe. And of course you can build these items for sure as well on ask to income as we did before or using any manual tool like Canva and so on. Perfect, isn't it? So here you have this way. And of course, here for sure on Ask the Income tool, you can actually, as I said earlier, you can convert this question also to different content ideas. Like it could be like a social thread, Twitter, LinkedIn post, Pinterest pins, TikTok, YouTube titles, YouTube system as you want here, affiliate blueprint, and carousel post as you like. So for sure, you can turn this idea and this question also into a content as a carousel post. Or even I just use my own tool that is RemoCarousel tool to convert your article to promote it perfectly on TikTok, Instagram as you like. So here on RemoCarousel, just insert here your own link of your article, like this one for example, and insert here your specific focus as you want. Here insert your website or branding name as a branding, your like your nickname, your business name, your profile name, your link and your website and so on. And then just set your own settings like the size of your slides, like vertical, square for Instagram, landscape for YouTube, and slide count here from 3 up to 10. So I can make it 4, for example. Here you can find some features like insert here your logo or your profile picture, your logo of your business, your website, and so on. Custom font as for branding as well. Font style as you like. And here insert the call to action like comment below, link in the bio, follow for more, and so on. Then here you can create your own slides in different languages, including Spanish, Portuguese, Arabic, Hindi, and so on. Then click over this button, create carousel, and just in a few seconds here you can find this carousel post like this, as you observe, with your branding all over these slides. So many people can recognize your slides and your account at first glance and the first look at your carousel post. As you observe here, emojis perfectly as you like. That's time now to just export these slides. The optimal way to take a screenshot of every single slide for your own mobile on desktop as you observe. So for sure here on desktop or using Windows or Mac, because that's just Control S Windows, and here you can take a screenshot precisely for every single slide. So for sure, just here depend on my own system of this package here, 6 tools. So I just package all of them in one bundle for you in a reasonable price. And of course, here you can find also an amazing valuable bonus for every single package for this package. Here you can find 30 million digital products digital products ready for rebrand for sale as you want in a BLR license, and of course a playbook here that enables you to promote your own digital products from zero to get your first sale in just 1 month. My own Doji playbook and my own library of these digital products alongside these amazing bundle of these tools as you like, lifetime license here, credit pays. So now it's time to head over to the link down below in the first comment and description box to just explore the power of these tools if you just actually seriously to build your own income system selling your digital products. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.